2023 Chevrolet Silverado MD. This truck is built for versatility for many uses. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as turbocharged engine, diesel fuel, backup camera, running boards and/or side steps, automatic headlights, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.